Akhuda stalaji kwashona emalanga ngifuna indilinga mfana. Bashube mpabane seswise emagathi ngisebenza amatima mnganwa.
Bafika ngedlala ngiyatshela udathala mafuna indilinga ungalali. Khulile mbabane ngicale emadlalane ngibeketela njalo ungalali.
Vuka malambane phansi mntwana babe ngeke kulunga ulambe. Damilamba bane kufune mazambane doti chayinamba. Sengingalakatha abayangyamayama bathi ngenda ngahamba. Senda ngale ngani doti sifuna imali sipathi sigcwale stash. Babane Masiri, I was born and raised. Nimi Kesari, I'm tryna get paid. Funa indilingi, I'm always prepared. Shout out for the nsimbi ngiyabonga kukcase. Sengilala benyoni ngibuka nge-white dolo. Ngiyakuphelela ngomoya ngigulala amadolo. Ngisebenza ngikhawuli ngide ngidile ebuthongo. Yinkunzi engiyayihlaba ngiyibambe ngenqondo. Akhuda stalaji kwashona emalanga ngifuna indilinga mfana. Bashube mpabane seswise emagathi ngisebenza amatima mnganwa.
Bafika ngedlala ngiyatshela udathala mafuna indilinga ungalali. Khulile mbabane ngicale emadlalane ngibeketela njalo ungalali. Yelele, ngeke sibayekele, yekele. Menemen, laba bafuna kusimela endleleni. Ngifuna imali ishintshe semekhaya, ngifuna kuthenga imoto noma ngilengana. Njalo mangingase bathi hello, bathi let's be what's deserve get yours. Ensokweni ngifole ngikadimulo, mangifika empopeni ngehlisa umjuluko. Sahamba kule ndlela, kwanza ngikhuluma lesiphiwo kasiphele siyoletha intuthuko. Kimi kugcine kulunga.
Funa indilinga, me I'm the god and I know they gon' pay me. Living like we ain't a rest, I'm go get it. I did and I pray for this shit. Senghamba nedlo did this shit in my blood. Mama she proud and she know I'm the best. Hate it with shit and I wanna get paid. Me and my dogs and we hustling back from the state and we profit this shit. Pray for this blessing ain't falling on me. I said cool get pressure my nigga nyakjela. Yeah I'm the best. Flowing on top of this beat and they hating. Top that I climb they just feel like they quitting. Y'all know I'm coming. Nigga ain't rushing but ning bang zonda ni feeling like pressure na kona mine yaba kweshele. I can no head them, me got no time and I'm fixing my goals.
Akhuda stalaji kwashona emalanga ngifuna indilinga mfana. Bashube mpabane seswise emagathi ngisebenza amatima mnganwa.
Bafika ngedlala ngiyatshela udathala mafuna indilinga ungalali.